Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying your Penguin. GG account meets eligibility and has necessary permissions. Next, secure the required resources, buy or gather seeds, basic tools, and at least the minimum energy units so you won't stall. Then open the Farmer Harvester event page and accept the event terms to instantiate your plot. Once done, place one seed in the starter plot and activate the basic harvester. This kickstarts growth cycles and registers you for rewards. Now you manage the core loop, crop cycles and upgrades. You prioritize tool upgrades that shorten harvest timers and increase yield because faster cycles compound rewards. Monitor growth timers in the dashboard and trigger harvests the moment crops mature to prevent spoilage. Meanwhile, rotate crops to balance resources. If a cycle threatens downtime, deploy boosters or arrange quick trades to maintain momentum. By informing actions with timer data, you convert small efficiency gains into steady progression toward the harvester objective. Finish by executing the last harvests and claiming the Farmer Harvester reward from your event panel. Make sure bonuses are applied to inventory and account stats. Then confirm that claimed items appear in your collection and equip any new tools to benefit immediately. If you encounter issues, first clear your browser cache or relaunch the client to resolve state errors. If problems persist, collect a screenshot and contact in-game support for a transaction review. That sequence ensures closure and recovers progress if anything goes wrong.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.